Court is calling 2017 CR 4326B, State of Texas versus Emmanuel Castro. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Laura Metzel for the state.
Defense?
Stephen Hartwich for Emmanuel Castro.
Are you Mr. Castro?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
No.
Are you the same Emmanuel Castro who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2017 CR 4326B for the offense of possession of marijuana, 4 ounces to 5 pounds on September 6, 2017 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 5. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Emmanuel Castro did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of June, July, August, September, October, November, and December 2018 in violation of condition number 5.
Just one moment. I don't have that motion. Is that a supplemental?
No, it's on the, oh, sorry, it is on the supplemental, judge. I apologize.
All right. Mr. Castro, I'm going to show you what's entitled State's Motion to Supplement Pending Motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney as well and understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then to violation of condition number 5, how do you plead, true or not true? State.
And then on violated condition number 5, the second one, Your Honor, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Emmanuel Castro did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December of 2019 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that, true or not true? I'm sorry, you need to.
And we'll waive the remaining violations, Your Honor.
All right, any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 5 and 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to 5 and 5? Court,
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
court will find 5 and 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, there is. For revocation and adjudication and to proceed forward on sentencing under 1244A for 45 days in the Bexar County Jail.
We're just going to recommend 9 days.
He says on his credit for 45 days. Give me 1 second, Your Honor, to make sure it's not my offer.
Sure. All right, so what are you?
Because his agreement on here says for 45 days, and so I'll just need to verify with him that he changed it to 9 days. Yeah, his offer is for 45 days on here, so I'll need to verify with Daniel, because he didn't make any changes on here to verify that he agreed for the JSOC.
All right, so here's the question. Why should I give him 45 days or even 90 days under 1244? Has he done anything?
Judge, as a condition of his bond, you asked him to take sober
Support meetings?
support meetings. He did attend that. Would you like to approach, Your Honor?
Yes. Any objections to the court?
No, Your Honor. Also, Daniel Escobar from the state of Texas.
So what is the proposed agreement?
It was for 9 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, Judge.
9?
9. And probation was recommending judgment unsatisfied. So
All right. And how much time does he have in?
I think 9 days.
9 days, Judge.
All right, I don't think 9 days is appropriate. So, I mean, you're gonna have to go to the Bexar County Jail. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So what I'll do is I'll grant the motion, find him guilty and sentence him under 1244. and I'll sentence him to 30 days in the Bear County Jail. And I'll give him credit for any time served. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That's as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on probation. Do you understand? All right, because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you. So here you go.
Sorry.
Emmanuel Castro stood before Judge Stephanie Boyd after violating the terms of his deferred adjudication for a marijuana possession case. Originally given 4 years of probation, Castro failed to report to his supervision officer for months, then years. The violation spanned nearly all of 2018 and 2019, a pattern the court could not overlook. Castro pled true to the violations, fully aware that the court could revoke probation, adjudicate guilt, and sentence him to jail time. The state proposed a surprisingly short sentence under Section 12.44, just 9 days in county jail. But Judge Boyd wasn't satisfied. She paused the proceedings and asked the critical question: what had Castro actually done to earn such leniency? Aside from attending a few support meetings, there was little evidence of accountability or sustained effort while on bond. Judge Boyd made her decision. She rejected the proposed deal and granted the motion to revoke. Castro was adjudicated guilty and sentenced to 30 days in the Behar County Jail, more than triple the recommendation. Judge Boyd then reminded him of the lasting consequences of a felony conviction, including loss of firearm rights. The message was clear: probation is a privilege, and disappearing comes with consequences.